Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Little design, kind of unique, kind of cool. It's not all that big a deal, but pretty easy to draw. I didn't mean to make a copy of it. So we're going to start off with a six-sided polygon. And I'm going to hit P, put it in the center of the page. I'm going to take an ellipse, hit P, put it in the center of the page. I'm going to take it a line, holding down the control button. I'm going to hit P. I'm going to make a duplicate. And I'm going to rotate the duplicate 22.5. Because we're working in the center of the page, I don't have to do the rotation. We're going to take our Smart Fill tool. I kind of like that yellow, that orange. And then I'm going to nudge that out of the way. And then I can nudge this out of the way. I can nudge this right back. It's exactly where it belongs. Basically, we only drew half of it. I'm going to get, there's two pieces here. I'm going to do kind of what I did here, dark on the edge, going inwardly, like this. Put a little darkness. I missed the spot. Then I'm going to, that's too much. I just want a little bit of darkness. Then on this, I'm going to do the opposite. It worked out pretty well. Ha! Can't hit the box. That looks okay. Now, Control G to group it. And then while you're holding down the control button, get the two-sided handle, and I didn't make a duplicate. So make a duplicate and then get the two-sided handle and go like that. Now, there is a line there, but we're going to get rid of that line in just a second. I'm going to Control G to group, Control D to duplicate, and alternate C to get a rotation. And since it's just a few, and if you remember, we did 22.5 degrees, but now we're double, so we need to go 45. Control D, Control D, Control D, Control D. And I pretty much duplicated them a little bit dark on the inside. Now, we have lines because we filled in, but easily fixed. Take a rectangle, I don't know how that happened. I must be using, somehow I set that, so I'm going to unset that. I don't like that. I'm going to go right down here and double click, and I'm going to put no fill. Because I don't want fill. I want to use my Smart Fill tool. So I'm going to fill this in with the Smart Fill tool. I'm actually going to just use that orange. I want to move it out of the way. And then I'm going to move or click and fill the inside. I'm going to get rid of this. And now if I take my new box and go up to Object Order, because I'm using basically the same color, the lines disappear. And it just kind of all meshes together. Pretty close to the first one. See what it looks like. See, now you can kind of see some black lines because the line, you know what? I have to go Object Order, back a page with the black. So put that orange still in the front. Kind of unusual object. Hope that helped learn a little bit. Thank you for watching.